All right, so we're here celebrating basically all the new facilities of the ASML campus. We got a brand new roof terrace. We have food trucks here now to celebrate it. We have live music. We have so much going on. Why tell? I'll show you. Follow us. What are you enjoying most in the renewed campus?
First, I'm enjoying the building, the facility. It's brand new, good music over there. Alles gut.
Yes, this is ASML blue. That's why I chose it. Colored my hair.
Dedicated to the ASML.
Indeed.
Yeah.
When we turn back to the campus, this was my first choice.
Are you guys gonna do something of the bucket list as well with all the new facilities?
Well, I didn't. Oh, grab a snack. I can grab a snack, yeah.
The first thing I noticed was the DJ outside. It was really good.
Yeah.
And then here with some good food.
But there's good food today, right?
Oh yeah, perfect.
Enjoy it then.
Thank you so much. Hey, have fun, guys.
Have a great day. Bye-bye. So how was it to be back then?
You know, with my colleagues working all together here in such a nice building. So I'm very happy. I'm very glad about it.
In addition to a new building, we've also added some new employee services, which include like massages, fitness, boxing, a track, and gee, if I only had a giant cheat sheet where I could see what else is new on campus. Oh, look at that! What do you think about having a convenience store on location?
Being able to buy bread after a long day, I don't have to go to Albahai in my village. So I love it.
I'm from Portugal. We drink a lot of espressos, so yeah. I've been going in the campus like, hey, are you that person? Are you that girl? Yeah, because you know. Yeah, but it's really nice. It feels like, yeah, a fresh start.
And how do you like being in a brand new cafeteria?
Yeah, it's quite good. It's quite fancy. Yeah, I like it.
Do you have a favorite meal?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
It's something I like. Not today, but
Not today.
Yeah.
I like the energy, the energy of the people, the plaza. This is what I like. So I'm actually promoting it to my friends now. I'm like, you should come and work in this company. We have this and that and that.
As you can see, the party is over. So now it's up to you to enjoy life back on campus. Welcome back. Can we do one more song?